Repair of Niagara Falls in 1969, a unique renovation of the American Falls. One of the three parts of Niagara Falls was carried out. The problem was that the water flow was exhausted due to the erosion and accumulation of stones and sand at its foot. The following large-scale actions were taken to preserve the waterfall: creation of a temporary dam, clearing and strengthening of the ledge. 6 months later, the work was completed, the temporary dam was dismantled, and the water again rushed to the renovated ledge of the American Falls, preserving its beauty and power.